Now say I took this beautiful picture and I don't want anyone to use it unless they purchase the rights to it. I can actually create a repeating watermark in Photopea really easily. So all you want to do is go ahead and add in your watermark. And if you don't have a watermark, you can also use text. So I'm just going to make this Z, and I'm just going to rotate it a little bit and make it a little bit larger, like so. I think this is a good watermark to have. And then what I can do is rasterize the layer. So you want to right click on the layer, convert to smart object, right click on the layer, rasterize. Then you can go to filter, other, which is right over here, and click on repeat. And as you can see, it's already repeated everywhere. You can also adjust settings such as the scale. So I'm going to just make it a little bit larger. You can change how much the rows have each element shift over as well. And then of course you can adjust the spacing like so. And once you're happy with your watermark, you can click on OK. And then what I can do is go to the opacity of this layer and lower it down. And my watermark is all over this image and nobody can take it. Now you can also use Photopea to create GIFs, which is amazing. And to create GIFs, all you have to do is have your background layer and then add whatever elements you want animated. Now, what you have to make sure is you know where each frame is going to go. And in this case, I'm going to make a GIF of an eagle flying over these mountains. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and name this, bird. And then what you want to do is for each frame you want animated, you want to make sure the layer has _a_ before the actual name of the layer, like so. And then I'm going to create a layer of the bird for each frame that I want. So I'm just going to go ahead, right click, duplicate layer, right click, duplicate layer. And now I have 3 bird layers. And of course you want the first frame at the bottom and each additional frame on top. And then I'm going to move these frames around. So the middle frame, I want the bird to be over here like so. And I'm going to just also make sure that the bird is tilted a little bit like that. And then the third layer, I want the bird over here. So it's kind of just flying over. It's not the best GIF, but it'll get the job done. And so now we have our different frames. They're properly named as well. And in terms of the animation speed, the default frame duration is 100 milliseconds. But if you want to change it, you can also go into the layer, double click on the layer name, add a comma, and add the duration of the frame as well. So for example, if I want to make it 125 milliseconds, I would do comma 125 like so, but I'm just going to keep it at 100. So once you have all of your animation layers ready, you want to just select them all by holding shift. Then you want to go to layer, go to animation, and click on make frames. And it's going to create your frames like so. And now what you can do is go to file, you can go to export as and export it as a GIF. And as you can see, the animation is now created. And here you can also change the speed if you wanted to. And then you can click save and your GIF is ready to go. You can also use Photopea to create 3D photos, which is super cool. Now 3D photos can be used on platforms